Okay, well this is the round two? Yeah, round two.
Right?
This is round two. So I'm unclipping it from the table. This one had heat from the toaster oven. You can see the knife is squished in there. Here's one. There's two. And oh, it's stuck. Maybe sorry, I need to drop that. I think that is basically as good as it's gonna get. Well, damn it, it didn't really work the way I wanted it to, but apparently it moved as I was. Okay, well, that's the way it worked. Not really getting the light I want it. There we go. That's a little bit better. You can see the there, put it like that. Definitely formed a lot better that time. Now it's just a matter of popping and trimming and putting some rivet. Are they rivets? No, not rivets. I can't remember. Eyelets. That's right. And yeah, I'm liking the fact that the toaster oven pulled this off. Definitely looks a hell of a lot better than the last one. It's so that's part one of the Kydex thing. Now it's about shaping and trimming, and hopefully everything will work. Anywho, that's a better job this time. Stoked. Anywho, thanks.